Hi guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of wrinkly background, how to blur the background to make your photo overall nicer. So let's start by clicking on the layer and duplicating it by pressing Ctrl J or Command J on the Mac. Go to Marquee tool and select your sides, but don't touch the object, so don't select the subject, just the background. Go to Edit, Free Transform, right click on your mouse and distort. Pull the size just gently like this. Do the same thing with the other side. And that's how we got rid of the wrinkles. I want to show you another tool. So we're going to go to the patch tool, and we can get rid of all those wrinkles, little wrinkles that are not removable with the other technique that I showed you before. So it works very simple. You just select the wrinkle that you want to get rid of, and you simply drag it to the area that you want to copy. So it's very easy. I'm going to show you a few more, just like this, and it works really well, and it's very fast. Just like that. Perfect. Now we need to duplicate layer 1, Ctrl J or Command J, and we are going to click this remove background button, and it's going to take a few seconds to do that. Now you can see a mask that got attached to layer 1, the copy of the layer 1. To check the mask, you click on Alt click, and you can see that here it didn't do a very good job. So you go back to your brush and simply paint over it like this. To go back, you just Alt click back. And now deselect this layer and press on layer 1. We are going, with the help of lasso tool, we are going to select the subject to remove it from the background. Just like this. And you go to Edit, Fill, keep your settings like this, content aware, normal, opacity 100%, and click OK. So it did remove the subject from the background. Now we're going to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And here you can play with the radius, like to adjust the blurriness to your liking. So we can decrease it and make it a little blurry. We can increase it, make it very blurry. So I think I would go for something like 25, 27. Let it be 30. Click OK. And now we're just simply selecting this layer to attach this subject to the background, and there it is. So if you guys want to see more of my video tutorials like this one, please do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of them. And I'll see you soon in my next video.